All right, mathematicians, it's Miss Britt here. I just got back from going to the Piggly Wiggly and getting my meat for the next 2 weeks. And I wanted to share a real world math problem with you. So I'm going to need your help. And this is something that we haven't done before because we have not added decimals in 4th grade yet. So I wanted to get your help with adding up the pounds of meat that I've bought, and then I want to think about how many pounds David and I should eat each week if it has to last us for 2 weeks. So let's first start by looking at the food that we have. All right, so I don't have very good lighting, but let's get a little closer. We've got some Pender's smoked sausage links, and what we're going to be focusing on today are pounds. And we have LBS here. That stands for pounds. So this is 2 pounds of smoked sausage links. And then we look here at our first thing of ground beef. And I have 2.16 pounds of ground beef. So 2 pounds. And then we'll talk about this later. This actually equals 1/1600ths of a pound. But for now, let's just stick with 2.16 pounds of ground beef. Our next package is 2.04 pounds of ground beef. And next we have 2.20 pounds of ground beef. All right, so that's my sausage and my ground beef. Let's go over here to my big old pork butt. I'm gonna eat this. David's gonna cook it in the air fryer. It's gonna be great. We have 7.62 pounds here. 7.62 pounds. And then we have some drumsticks. I'm gonna go back to I'm gonna call my granny and make sure I know how to fry some chicken legs. We're gonna fry some homemade chicken legs for Sunday dinner. So we got 4.73 pounds here. And then, oh, I love some turkey legs. So one day we're gonna have some spicy turkey legs. And here we have 2.94 pounds of turkey legs. So I'm going to pause the video. I'm gonna write down my the meat that I have on my math notebook, and I will come back. So if you want to, go ahead and write down what you saw as we went. Reverse the video if you need to. Are you in here trying to get some chicken and some turkey? Is that what you want? Some chicken and some turkey? Oh, peace, Mom, peace. All right, guys, so I have my numbers written down. I have my sausage links. Remember, those were 2 pounds. I had my ground beef, my very first package. That was 2.16 pounds. Ground beef package number 2 was 2.04 pounds. Ground beef package number 3 was 2.20 pounds. The pork butt was 7 pounds, 7.62 pounds. The chicken legs were 4.73 pounds, and the turkey legs were 2.94 pounds. So check your numbers and make sure you have this written down right. I'll give you a moment. Pause the video if you need to. All right, now I'm going to show you how to set it up so that we can figure out what all of this equals together. All right, so when you have 2 pounds, 2 is a whole number in this case. So anything after the decimal is less than 1. So this is like, think about it like money. So this is like $2. So if you had $2, if you wanted to write it with a decimal, you would actually put 2.00. 2 pounds looks like this whenever we want to add it up. 2.16, 0.16, 2.04, 2.04. I probably should have stopped at 2, but I'm going to go ahead and add up these 3 to get my total for these 3 so that I can start adding some more. So let me add these 3 first. When you're adding decimals, you do it just like you do any other numbers. You say 0 plus 6 plus 4 is 10. You bring down the 0, you carry the 1, or you regroup it into this place. This place, you do not know what this is called yet, but this is the tenths place. We're going to learn about that. That's the tenths place. And this place over here is called the hundredths. They both have a TH on the end. So this is the hundredths place. So we put the 0, we carry the 1, or we regroup it. 1 plus 1 is 2. Bring down my 2, and then bring down this dot, which is called a decimal. So I'm going to bring this decimal down right here. Then I just add up the ones place, because this right here, my friends, is the ones place. 2, 4, 6. All right, so these three are equivalent to 6 pounds, 0.20, right? So let's get started again. I'm just going to rewrite that number right here, 6.20 plus 2.20 plus 7.62. All right, I'm going to add up these three and see what I have. All right, this is the hundredths place. In the hundredths place, I have a 2. And then in the tenths place, I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10, so I bring down the 0 and I regroup or carry the 1. And then I bring down my decimal. 6 plus 1 is 7, 8, 9. Oh, wait, I'm going to back up because I'm going to use my doubles. 6 plus 1 is 7, and 7 plus 7 is 14, 15, 16. Great. Now I'm up to 16 pounds, decimal 02. And again, I can tell you what this is called, but we're just not there yet. This is 16 pounds and 2 hundredths. 2 hundredths. So we'll get there. So far we've got this, and that takes care of this and that. So we're at 16.02. Moving right along. I'm going to rewrite that number down here so I have room to regroup. All right, I have 4.73, and I have 2.94. Add those up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. Regroup my 1. I know that 6 plus 4 makes a group of 10, so I'm going to do that first. 6 plus 4 is 10, 11, 12, 13. Regroup my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So all of this meat all together equals 23.69 pounds. And just like regular rounding, I'm going to round this, and I'm going to round it to the ones place, which is this place right here. I'm going to round to the ones place, and I'm going to go next door, and I'm going to say, does this 6 make this 3 stay the same or round up to a 4? Well, 5 or more, we round up. So 6 makes this 3 go to a 4. So I'm going to round this to 24 pounds, and this is the symbol for about. I have about 24 pounds of meat. Now, my second question, I know this has been a while, so you may not remember it, but my second question was, if this meat is supposed to last David and I for 2 weeks, how much meat should we have each week? Should we eat each week? So this is supposed to last us for 2 weeks. So I have 24 pounds for 2 weeks. How much should we eat each week? I'll pause so you can think. if I have 24 pounds for 2 weeks, I need to split 24 into 2. What number bond can I put here that has the same number here, because I want my amount of meat to be equivalent for each week? What plus what gives me 24 and it's the same number? Right, 12. So we have 12 pounds of meat that we can eat each week. 12 pounds to eat. Sorry. Insert, right, like in writing. To eat each week. Now, we could split that, and then we could have Miss Britt and Mr. Britt's total of meat. But to be honest, he's probably going to get a bigger share than me. So I'm going to say I'm going to take about 5 pounds, and he's going to take about 7 pounds for the week, because I'm just not as big of a meat eater. All right, my friends, that's my real world math problem for today. Stay tuned, because I already have another one that has to do with Nutella, because you know I love some Nutella. Talk to you later. Bye.